When we discuss Mitumba as a country, we always forget to discuss the issue of manufacturing and the issue of industrialization of the country's level, because how do we process the raw materials that actually make clothes? And the reason why Mitumba is actually preferred, the reason why Mitumba is actually cheaper, it's because we import clothes that meet our needs, we import clothes that meet our budget, we import clothes that meet our preferences and desire. And before we can discuss removing Mitumba, or before we can discuss killing Mitumba or banning Mitumba, we need to have an honest conversation about the level of industrialization of our country. Because I believe the only way we can make locally manufactured clothes available, cheaper, and of the required preference to meet the desires and conveniences of Kenyans is to ensure that we have a very good manufacturing sector that will actually make it cheaper, affordable and sustainable for the textile industry to actually be able to compete with Mitumba. We have an EPZ zone in Athi River where they manufacture very good jeans, but they're very expensive. I mean, the jeans are made for export because we will not be able to afford them for the local market. So I don't think it's fair to talk about banning Mitumba when we know we've not really created a better foundation for the local industry to be able to grow. If you listen to the interviews that Soko Directory has done for the various traders, they're all looking at the same thing. They all want to be in business. They all understand why clothes are very important. But it's very expensive to buy locally manufactured clothes. And 70%, actually 92% of Kenyans cannot afford new clothes in Kenya because we do not have disposable income that we can be able to spend and buy clothes. So I'll go to Mitumba, I'll find a good shirt, I'll find a good jeans, I'll find a good shoe that actually fits me and actually fits my desire and preference at the end of the day. So for me, I think before we have the discussion on banning Mitumba, can we first have a discussion on how we can industrialize the country, how we can improve our production, how we can improve our manufacturing processes? Thank you.